his application.
Sir Arnold explained that Prime Minister Peter O'Neill, through his urgent application before the Supreme Court, was seeking to prevent the opposition from exercising its constitutional rights to move a motion of vote of no confidence.
A motion of the vote of no confidence is a private notice of motion which can be withdrawn at any time. So once again, the attempt to stop that withdrawal that the Prime Minister is challenging is truly mischievous and an abuse of process. And it's simply an attempt to stop the Parliament from moving a motion of no confidence and to prolong his announcement to the whole world that he will resign. So you follow that by moving this motion and getting a stay, it stops him from needing to resign. That's the intention. So he doesn't intend to resign. He's misled the whole world and the country.
The former Chief Justice said Mr. O'Neill had announced his intentions to resign as Prime Minister, and now that he has gone to the courts, he is using the legal processes to mislead the public.
No, the court hasn't interfered yet. It's the politicians who are trying to use the court system and judicial process abusively to interfere with the democratic process of the Parliament. And the court has quite rightly, last week, disallowed the adjournment of that particular application, as you recall, and so they withdrew it. Then now he's filed a fresh application to use the court process and abuse the court process to interfere with the parliamentary democratic process in Parliament. The court hasn't. The court rightly has asked, is it urgent? And the lawyer for the Prime Minister wasn't able to explain it was urgent, so they've adjourned it for directions to Friday.
Meanwhile, 4 governors, including Sir Julius Chen, are jointly opposing the court applications to delay the motion on the vote of no confidence that was filed by Prime Minister Peter O'Neill at the Waigani Supreme Court yesterday. The 4 are NCD Governor Powes Pakop, Western Islands Governor Pius Winty, Medan Governor Peter Yama, and New Island Governor Sir Julius Chen. In a statement, Sir Julius said the sudden decision by the Prime Minister Peter O'Neill to apply for an injunction to stop the transition is against the national interest. Sir Julius said there is a mood for change in this country, and that mood was met with a decision on Sunday. These comments raised by Sir Julius Chen were endorsed by the other 3 governors. Thekla Gunga, National EMTV News.